Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic the Scrum Values. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or software development. You want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, first of all, we have to understand that what is Scrum actually. Scrum is a framework which is based on the Agile methodology. Now, what is Agile? Agile is basically a concept that based on the incremental approach, that like for example, if you want to deliver a project to a customer, so what we can do, we divide the work of a project into multiple chunks, multiple increments, and with each increment the work will be progressing, and we are delivering the work to the customer, and after getting the feedback from the customer, we improve the work, we improve the delivery, and then once the all the increments and chunks are delivered to the customer, so the whole project will be completed. So that is basically the called as the concept of Scrum, which is based on Agile methodology. So a Scrum is Agile. A Scrum is basically based on customer feedback. A Scrum is adaptive, means that it welcomes the changes. It is flexible. It is agile, and customer always like this approach as well. Now the Scrum is basically having some values, or you can say a set of principles that guide the behavior and interactions of individuals and team members within a Scrum framework. These values are crucial for fostering a collaborative and effective work environment, so that all the team members who are working for a software project, they should follow these values, and these values basically adds these values add a value in your work and a peace of mind as well. So first thing is the commitment. Commitment means that whenever you are starting a project based on the Scrum framework, so the team commits to the work during a sprint. For example, you are implementing an e-commerce solution, and there are 40 tasks. So the Scrum team commit, for example, that they will deliver for example 10 tasks, and each individual commits to the goals of the team, like they are basically working a whole as a team. The team commits to achieving the sprint goal. They have a commitment, they will definitely achieve whatever the goal of a sprint, and commitments are based on realistic expectations and sustainable workloads. Means that whatever the team is committing, it basically based on some realistic work. Like for example, you know that within 1 month we can complete these 10 tasks. You have the visibility that how much work is in progress, what is the workload, and based on the workload, based on the realistic expectations, basically all team member commit to the sprint goal. Sprint goal means that, like for example, within a month we shall complete 10 tasks. So that is basically, we can say, a 10 tasks. So the most important thing means commitment. Commitment means that okay, we will do that work at our level best. Then courage. Courage means that friend, the team members must have the courage to express their opinions. They should be transparent about challenges, about issues, like the things, whatever the problems are facing, whatever the issues are coming, they should speak up about issues, impediments, roadblocks, and if there are any mistakes from our own side, so learn from them and accept those mistakes as well. Courage to take risk and experiment for continuous improvement. Obviously friend, whenever you are initiating and starting any new task, there are issues, there are risk involved, there are uncertainties are there. So not sure whether you will complete the task or not, but the team should have the courage to take the risk and improve the things as well. Then focus. Focus means that the team focus on delivering a small valuable set of features during each sprint. For example, Let me give an example, like on an e-commerce solution, the customer can do the payment through through credit card and debit card, for example. So this is a very you can say a very simple and a basic feature, but it is valuable feature because it will increase your revenue, it will increase your revenue transactions as well. So focus on the most valuable and high priority work. Avoid multitasking to maintain high quality work, and concentrating on completing the sprint goals without unnecessary distractions. Means that when they are working in the Scrum, they focus on the delivery, focus on the work, not any other things like it will the distractions, problems, issues, whatever the work is coming, whatever the problems are coming, they always have to focus on the things, they always focus on the delivery, they always focus on the closure of the sprint. Successful closure of the delivery is basically the main goal of the team. So the main thing is the focus here as well, is it is another value of a Scrum. Then openness means team members and stakeholders are open and transparent about work progress. Like if there is any delay, so it should not be hidden, it should be openly discussed that there are delays are there. If there are any challenges, any potential impediments, so openly talk about it. Whenever we are sitting in a meeting, we are talking about it, so openly communicate within the team that okay, these are the issues. Transparency is very important, like whatever the status, whatever the issues are coming in the product, it should be openly discuss about it. Encourage a culture of trust and collaboration. Means that everyone should trust each other, everyone should know that what is the status, and openly things should be openly discussed, and everyone should trust on each other. There should not be any ambiguity or any problems within the team members. Then respect is also a very important factor or value in this Scrum. Like each and every team member should is respectable, and his opinion, skills and contribution is valuable. There's nothing like that one team member is more important and the other is not important. Acknowledging and appreciating the diversity of skills and perspective within the team. Treating team member with courtesy and professionalism. We know that whenever we are working on a project, there are so many pressures are there, so many deadlines are there, and obviously like things become bad as well. So, but in that case, the respect should not be lost to anyone. Creating an environment where everyone feels valued and heard, everyone feels that his feedback is important, his everyone is hearing about it, everyone is like his giving value to his opinion. So this should be the case as well. So the friend, Scrum Values provides a foundation for building a positive and collaborative team culture. Embracing these values helps teams overcome challenges, adapt to change, and continuously improve their process and product. The values also contribute to the overall success of a Scrum by promoting a supportive and creative environment for teams to deliver high quality results. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching.